Introducing the K100 MAX Mini Drone, a cutting-edge RC quadcopter designed for dynamic aerial photography and an exciting flight experience. This compact drone boasts an impressive 8K HD camera, real-time video transmission with a unique screen control feature, and intelligent obstacle avoidance, making it an ideal choice for both beginners and enthusiasts seeking a portable and capable aerial photography tool. Stunning 8K HD camera for detailed aerials. The K100 MAX Mini Drone is equipped with an 8K HD camera, promising to capture incredibly detailed and high-resolution images and videos from the sky. This allows you to transform your aerial adventures into stunning visual content, perfect for sharing. Unique screen control and real-time video transmission. A standout feature of the K100 MAX is its screen control functionality, offering an intuitive way to pilot the drone and manage its camera. Coupled with real-time video transmission, 2.4G, you'll receive a live feed directly from the drone's camera, providing an immersive FPV experience for precise aerial photography and dynamic flying. The remote control distance is about 100 meters, ensuring a solid connection for your flights. Intelligent obstacle avoidance for worry-free flying. Fly with enhanced confidence thanks to the K100 MAX's obstacle avoidance system. This intelligent feature helps the drone detect potential obstructions in its path, reducing the risk of collisions and making the flight experience safer and more enjoyable, especially for new pilots or when navigating tighter spaces. Stable flight system with colorful lighting. The K100 MAX utilizes an advanced flight system that combines colorful lighting with optical flow positioning. The optical flow positioning ensures stable hovering, particularly beneficial for indoor flights where GPS signals are not available. The colorful lighting not only adds a fun visual element during flight but can also assist with orientation, especially in low light conditions. Compact, foldable and portable design. Designed for ultimate convenience, the K100 MAX is a mini drone with a foldable design. This feature ensures it's incredibly compact and easy to carry wherever your adventures take you. Its lightweight nature makes it highly portable. The drone is available in sleek grey or black colors. Efficient power and endurance. The K100 MAX is powered by a 3.7V 350 mAh body battery, providing an endurance of about 10 minutes of flight time. This makes it suitable for quick aerial shots and fun flying sessions. The K100 MAX Mini Drone offers a compelling blend of high-resolution camera capabilities, convenient screen control, intelligent obstacle avoidance, and a portable design. It's an excellent choice for anyone looking for an accessible, fun, and capable mini drone for aerial photography. Don't forget to subscribe for more reviews.